Hey homeowners, hope you're having an inspiring day. My name is Zia and I'm one of the new hosts for MF Home TV. Welcome to another episode. But before we begin, please support this channel by subscribing and click the bell icon below so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In this video, we will be showing you one work from home setup with some DIY hacks on the side. I'm so excited for it and I hope you are too. This is going to be a Pinterest-inspired twin work area, and we really hope this video helps couples, siblings, or even roommates who are struggling to set up their work area at home. So for our setup, we will be merging two personalities, the trendy chic and the industrial and nature vibe. I guess we could call it the earthy industrial chic style. You can expect colors like white, blue, green, gold, and a few touches of pink. So here are the items we prepped. The Navin desk, which happens to be white, but it's closest to our Pinterest desk. We put a bookcase between the two desks to act as a separator, just to emphasize that the work area is for two people. Chairs. We have the Amet low back office chair to emphasize the chic personality. And we also have the rattan chair for the nature vibe. To match our desks, we have this little drawer filing cabinet in white, and we'll place it next to our desk. Wall art! On the left, we have a large canvas wall art with pretty and subtle strokes of blue and white. So on the right side of the wall, we have a shelf with an elephant figurine and some faux succulents. Let's also add a very chic table lamp with a gold body finish and on a marble stand. Perfect! There are other accessories you can DIY, like this framed corkboard that you can hang on the wall. This bicycle basket, that's so cute! It can serve as extra storage. These things can really show the nifty, crafty side of your personality. All right, I'm so excited for the reveal. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. I like it so much. I work from home too, so I can just imagine myself sitting in one of those chairs. What about you? What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, just a note, the aim of this video is not to exactly copy the Pinterest setup. It is just fun to work with inspo and then start adding your own touches from there, right? So if you use any of the tips in this video, please show us your new work from home setup by tagging us on our social media. Also, if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. This is Zia, inspiring your home. Comment of the week.